Have you ever heard a giraffe make a noise? Never. I've never heard it. It was believed that giraffes are mute for so many years.
How do they communicate?
So, body language mostly. But
My name is Rí Galway and I'm from Ireland. All my life it's been my dream to do conservation in any kind of shape or form. I saw this as an opportunity to get the ball rolling, I guess.
Animals and wildlife conservation has always been a passion of mine, and I just wanted a bit of a career change really, and I've found that here and I found my passion.
My name is Leah. I'm the Program Manager here at the Limpopo Hub in South Africa. GVI has been on Kruger since 2001. Our program involves interns and volunteers. Internships are becoming very popular, and the idea GVI is really wanting to move towards being one of the leaders in, I guess, education in whatever field we choose.
So I graduated a year ago and I've worked in an office for the past year, but I wanted to actually get out in the field. So for me this is just kind of getting a different perspective.
Did you have a look at this thing?
I think that's where GVI comes in. You come and you spend 3 months, they teach you everything, you spend another 3 months, you work with everything, and then from there you can kind of decide, yeah, actually I quite enjoy this, and then, you know, carry on with your career after that.
Doing a leaf count at the moment to just kind of document kind of growth on the different beds.
So basically we're just trying to figure out what's the best way to grow them so we can then plant them back into the reserve, because the elephants love the marula trees. So that's what we're trying to achieve.
My name is Kayla Geenan. I'm a science officer here at the Kruger base in Limpopo. My role as a research officer can be anything from taking them on general research drives, collecting data, to walking them through the research techniques, as well as actually showing them how to analyze the data. So teaching them a little bit of GIS so they can actually put all that data onto maps and see what the outcome is.
I knew it was going to be kind of like data collecting, I mean, never to the depth that we're going, which is really interesting because I'm learning so much about all these different animals that I didn't even know existed before I came here.
This particular program as well, you need to actually be in it to learn it. Like whether you study the field guide at home, once you get here, actually going out on drives and doing things makes you learn more.
We learn about the trees and we learn about the birds and the insects, rhinos, elephants, all the big five. It allows us to kind of start to begin to understand the behaviour of the animals that we have here on Kruger, which is really interesting.
Yeah, normally when they stand still, like a big male when he's holding his territory, then he'd look that way with the wind behind him so he can see what's in front of him and smell what's there.
We contribute data and information to organisations like Elephants Alive, BirdLife SA, and we're doing surveys on the property to contribute to citizen science there, and the carnivore unit for the EWT, the Endangered Wildlife Trust. They're very interested in what's happening with our cheetah on the property.
With Cheetah Boys we look at where they're making kills, what they're eating, how long they stay to kill, because obviously they're the bottom of the big cat food chain.
We update regularly our reserve management on where our rhinos and elephants are, and elephant impact as well, grazing impact. That's super important to management of a small reserve.
When they leave here, they've already got the good baseline knowledge that they can take further into their work placement, and then from there to then go into the actual working community. I mean, that's key.
Coming here has really shown me that this is what I want to do, this is where I want to be.
And I think for me this will help me with my next stage, because now I know what career path I want and I'm